Hey guys, how you doing? How you doing? Uncle Craig here on the Bon Knock, and today is gonna be the day we pour cement in the shop house. Woo! Of course, I wasn't expecting it, but we had a lot of sun yesterday, a lot of sun today, but I had to get other things ready in there. The breachway or whatever it is, you know, on the door of the bathroom. I didn't want the cement going out that way. I had just threw up some cement bricks to block it, but I didn't like that, so I broke that out the other day and and you know, put the step in there. What's it called? The threshold. Hopefully it's tall enough. I think it's about the same height as, you know, the slab should be when it's poured. And but on that one wall where the picture window goes, I talked about it, I think, in another video, but I measured down like 10 inches and I took my cement saw and cut 10 inches off the top of that wall, because I was concerned that it wasn't tied in to both sides properly, and that bottom part is the old part of the wall, right? So I can go over there. Oh my gosh. And you know, it's not. So anyway, I cut that out and then knocked it out, and then I put in I built a form. I drilled holes. I drilled 3 holes. I made a triangle bar port on both sides, and then put metal bar, and so I could, you know, put the form up there and actually make a beam that goes the length of that wall and ties it in much better than certainly that it was. And this is what it is, what I'm talking about. So I took that section, about that much of the wall, off of the top, and then formed it up and poured. Anyway, so now I have that cross beam in there. Also, this is what I was talking about with the threshold. I made that threshold. I might have to do a quick fix when they get here with the cement and put something on the back side, but I don't know. I raised all the bar and everything. You know, I actually took my cement saw, you know, and these actually were good, these old bricks, because it's like this. If you cut it right here, then you cut it this way, you have these butterflies with a dip in it already. It's like a little bow tie, I mean, with a dip in it. And then that bow tie is perfect for the bar to rest in. And it's a good secure way of keeping the bar in the, you know, where you want it. Because I'm gonna try and walk around here. I don't really want to step on the raised bar right now. Of course, I'm in my thongs and I'm walking on this stuff. Whoa, some Indiana Jones stuff right here. Whoa. Walking over here to get my tripod. Whoa, man. So anyway, yeah, the cement guy said by 2 o'clock, and that is, whoa, I made it. That's like, you know, about 25 minutes, I guess. Dot went out and she's trying to get another person to help with, you know, with the pour, because the cement guys, they come and back the truck up, turn it on, and pour cement. That's what they do. They don't, put that fan on. They don't level it out for you and all that stuff. So, I have everything I need. I just, yeah, there you go. I have everything I need. And I think, you know, if I had to, I could do it by myself. I could do it by myself. But I just told, well, I mean, Dot and I could do it. I mean, I really only need 2 people. The first pour will be that back bathroom area. And that'll pour real quick. And then, you know, just make sure the metal is floating, whatever. And there's a right amount of coverage. And my my 2-meter trowel or whatever it is, 2.5 meters, I don't know. That's just about as wide as that area almost. So it'd be real easy to start on one end, just start tamping down and make that area, you know, finish that area basically. And then in the second one, you know, Dodd can be kind of punching the cement, getting the air out of it, you know, while I'm doing the big trowel. And we can do it, 2 people. She thinks we need another person, or 2 people, 2 more people. But, you know, it's a Wednesday, I think, and people are working, man. Working the rice fields, stuff like that. So, we'll see. I ain't worried about it. I could do it, man. But, yeah, the cement guy was ready today or whatever. He said it was hot and it was a good day to pour cement. So I'm like, I just finished. I was like, kicked my ass over there, and then I came upstairs, so I gotta take a shower. And then got the news that the cement came in, so I took a shower anyway. And now I got my new dirty clothes on. Alright, man, well, let's wait for the cement and we'll get back to you. Back at you. I already forgot to turn the camera on. มากเลย
บางนี่
All right, guys. Well, the cement pour is complete for the shop house, and God, I gotta tell you, it feels good. Not just because I drank like 3 beers, but feels good. Let's take a look. So that is a sight better from what you guys have been watching, yeah? Over the videos. So that is 5 cubic meters of cement, and we got it back here on the back side. So this is the bathroom. We did have to put a board there after all to make it so it could get there, because it turns out that 5 cubic meters was probably too much, because this is 4 inches for sure. And then I can take a look. I'm gonna actually take a look, but you can see it's right at the rim everywhere around, which is ideal actually, but I thought for sure it would be less, because, you know, these things were tall. That one you can see is uneven. That's because that's the way I built it, I think. I thought that was level, but it's probably not level because this thing tends to settle level. But it came out very good. We're quite pleased. My wife and I were gonna do it ourselves, which we could have because we're badass like that. But when the cement guy came with the truck, he was like, you guys are gonna do this? You want me to call somebody to help you? And you know, being that, you know, I'm not one that really liked labor, I said, yeah, sure, whatever. So he called another guy that, you know, has a group, a working company or whatever. So called the guy, we just waited, let the cement turn, which is actually probably better because it activates more. And it was about 20 minutes maybe. We actually got our one of our family members to come over here too. But so that guy brought himself, which is like supervisor, company, you know, owner, and then 3 other guys. So we had like 4 guys, and check this out. So there's 4 guys worked, put all that cement in place, leveled it out, did all the work. I mean, I helped a little bit, but I didn't really have to. I just wanted to, so I got in there a little bit. But these guys did all the work, did everything, and it cost, well, he asked for 1,500 baht, which is, what's that, $35 or something? And my wife said, how about 1,200 baht? And we gave him 3 catfish, 1 tilapia, a bottle of lao khao, which is kind of like cheap Thai liquor, White Lightning. And we sat, we drank a couple beers with him. But you gotta love that, man. I mean, 1,200 baht, that's not even $35, that's $33. I had 4 people working, and they worked, you know, I don't know, it took them a little while, right? We had to do the back side and then the front side and all that, and make sure everything's cool and level, and oh, it was great job. But I'm really happy with that, because now that the floor is finished, it could be so much easier to just throw those walls up and get that done. You know, I look at it, I go, oh man, I can put those walls up like in a day. No. But we got that guy's phone number too, because he said, hey man, call me, I'll throw that tile down for you, or this and that and this and that. So I'm gonna run the numbers, see if I can do that. But maybe I'll let him help. But I like doing things, you know, that's why I do everything by myself. And Dot and I could have done this, but the cement truck pours this stuff, well today anyway, you know, they stretch it all the way out to the back first, and they dump it really fast, you know, so you've got to push it around. I have a squeegee that I bought, but for over there, but it worked out perfect for this thing. And of course I have a couple other tools and stuff. I had all the tools actually for them too. I had bought them before, so it's like, dude, you guys don't need nothing, just come over. And although a couple guys didn't have any boots, so Dot gave one of them her boots, so she didn't have to do anything. And the other guy went barefoot, and I'm like, are you sure? He's like, yeah, no problem. So, but yeah, so they did the backside first, and it was it was pretty easy to do. I had already set up, you know, raised all the rebar and stuff, so it was going to be able to set real good. But yeah, now, gosh, I feel so good about being able to put the walls up and get the windows. I could probably get the window guy tomorrow. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Keep keep watching. And let's see that shop house come into a full-blown palace. All right, you guys. More later. Back at you. Oh, and before I forget, the cement was 5 cubic meters of cement. We wanted 7,500 baht. We wound up giving him 7,250. So that's $210 or something like that. If you can imagine that. Imagine being, you know, at home in America, where I'm from, and having this pour and then a second pour in the back. Actually, that was first, but this is a 6x8, and then that one is a 6x2. So imagine having that done for $200, $210. Insane, you know. And I tried to give a big tip, and it just refused. All right, man. Well, anyway, more later.